Whoa, Mega Hand, that's really cool. And basically it says Mega Hand, that looks really big. Oh look, there's directions. That's really nice. Shows you exactly how to do it. I'm just gonna take these things out. Oh look, there's a toolbox. Comes with individual parts. And there's a couple more parts. And that is it. So, I ran into a problem when I was building. I was playing with the elastic cord and this fell off. It's supposed to be at one end of an elastic cord, but it came off. So I just tied a knot I learned. It's pretty simple. And I fixed it. Oh wait, I already said that. And I hope you subscribe to my channel. So, bye for now. And this is basically one finger. And this is you guys smashing the like button.